Another slow day, but I got a good one on now. I threw topwater in there. Wouldn't bite that, but I threw my jig and he ate it. Nice big bass. Oh, son. Big bass. I got 3 casts, 3 walleyes, I think. There's another one. 3 in a row though. About time to start biting. Oh yeah. Better than nothing. Probably 22 incher. We'll get him in and let her go and try to get 4 in a row. Snaker. He ain't very big, but he thinks he is. Well, this one bit twice. Had him on, got off, let it fall back in, and grabbed it. No leader. I knew that was going to happen with that color. Seems like that's like a pike hang, chartreuse thing. Back he goes. It's just some kind of a big grub from Lunker City. They gave me some free samples to try, so I'm trying them.